Sir, step away from the fish counter. Drop the salmon now. That's a good boy.
Бабушка, где мой заказ? Я стою уже 10 минут. Что значит мяу? Дайте посылку немедленно. Не перебивайте, вот код сканируйте.
I don't care what your policy says. I want a refund right now. Don't you dare meow at me like that. Get me your manager. You're being completely unprofessional. Now stop.
Take me back. Come back here, you fairy thief. I only just got that for my birthday. Cat, give it back. Look at him like he owns the road. Only in Liverpool and this. Wait till I tell me mum. I'm getting you.
Don't let the S's speak! To the ground from under my feet! Can't break me, I fight back harder!